Hi, I'm Nancy, Pampered with Diamonds, and I have unboxing number 2 of the D-Stash for you. All right, I have unboxing number 2. This is a canvas that I'm D-stashing. It is a Diamond Art Club. While I was making sure I had all the pieces and parts before I did the unboxing, there was a little snafu. Okay, this is the canvas. It is Coastal View by Sally Swatland, and it is a 17 by 17. It has 47 colors, including 3 ABs. This was before fairy dust. It was sold at Joann's, and it has a total of 23,104 diamonds. So before we look at the canvas, and before you start sending me emails saying you want it, it is around. When I was unboxing it, the little labels were coming off, and let me show you. Okay. The little labels. What I mean by little labels is the stickers. As you can see, they're coming off, and they were on the inside of the baggie. So I had to pick them off and put them back on. And then I taped this number down on this side, but this side I didn't have a choice, so I taped this number down. All you have to do is cut them and put the stickers here. I think I'll show you with this one. So say this was number 1. You had the number 1, you had the little symbol and the DMC, okay? You cut the sticker off of here, and then you just tape it on top of your container. Use regular tape, not washi tape, to put it on top of the container, and it will stay. So what I've done is once I secured them all, I made a copy. And then right before I came on, I was looking at this copy, and 28 and 29, one of the stickers came off, and one of the stickers on this side came off and covered this. So they were easy symbols for me to draw, so I just drew them in. Now, you can cut them out of here and tape these to the containers, or you can just use the labels. Either way, it's up to you. It does have all 47 stickers, and it's got all the symbols and all the DMC numbers, and I made sure of that because that's important. So when you open your kit, this is an older one. You get the small picture, and you get the old toolkit. It's just got the pen, the squishy. Let's see if I can get the squishy on. Oh my gosh, it went right on, guys. Look at that. It comes with a multi-placer 3, and it comes with some baggies. That's not much baggies. Maybe I'll throw in a few more baggies. Mention it in the email if you want more baggies. If not, I'm not even going to worry about it. And 2 heart waxes. This is an older toolkit. There was no fancy stuff in it, so this is what you get. Let me see. What can I? No, I don't have anything in here I'm willing to part with. All right. So that's what you get in this toolkit, and I'm going to put the small sticker in here so that doesn't get lost. So you will get the toolkit, the sticker sheet, and a photocopy. So that you will be all set with that. So the colors, move that there. So these are all some of your colors. 140, 762, 898, 518, 935, 951, 975, 108, 108, and 140 are your ABs. Those are your ABs. And there's also another one when we come across it, 3371. And these were all verified when I first got the kit, which is why you see these little dashes. So all the colors were here when I put them in the baggie. And that's where they've been living. 415, 800, 3761, 3761, 453, 3325, 3325, 3861, 543, 3864, 3808, 597, 828, 598, 3790, 648, 3809, 451, 141, there's our third AB, 3810, and then the last train we have 832, 793, 422, 734, 356, 3768, 666, 318, 317, 310, one lonely little light bag of 310, 414, 890, 931, 937, 469, 948, 433, 677, 775, 498. So there should be 47 different DMC codes. So I'm going to count them for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 on this train. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 47, 47, 47, 47. Did you catch that? 47, 47. Okay. I am going to, I don't have one of those sleeves, so I'm going to put this back in here. With this, and then I'm going to, let me do it that way so it won't stick. Let me do it that way so it won't stick to the plastic. So I can roll it in the canvas now. Let's see. All right. Okay. So this is your colors. They're round drills. And let me put them right here. And let me show you your canvas. The box is breaking, but I will tape it, and it will be wrapped in brown paper. And it will be in an inner sleeve, as you see. This one is a 17 by 17. So this one I did not get at Joann's when it was going out of business. I got this one before. I got this one when I was kind of new at finding diamond art, and I happened to see this in Joann's. This is one of the earlier ones I purchased at the actual store. And I thought, well, this is a pretty one, but it's not my cup of tea. Do you see all this color blocking? All this line blocking? Nope. I mean, I know it's not a big piece, but for me personally, that's not going to work. Now this does have the perforated. All right, listen. You hear it? That's the perforated. This is the perforated plastic before they put the red markings on them. See? This is before the red markings and the gray markings. 47 colors. Like I said, no fairy dust. And I don't have a lot of round fairy dust, so I can't promise any fairy dust. But I do have round ABs. I can throw in some red ABs if you would like. But you have to put it in your email or I will forget. So let me know that in the email. All right, let me show you how I show you. That is the whole canvas. Can't really see it. Let's see over here. Nope, I think you guys are just going to do better looking at it from this angle. Let me raise the camera. There you go. And that, I believe, is a boat. Let me see. It looks like a boat. I don't know. Your guess is as good as mine, guys. It could be a boat back here. So, like a sailboat. That's what I'm thinking. So, here is Coastal View, 17 by 17 by Sally Swatland. And it was sold by Diamond Art Club, and it was purchased at Joann's. So make me an offer, plus shipping, at pamperedwithdiamonds@gmail.com if this is something you have been looking for. Have a wonderful day, and be kind to everyone. Bye.